Hello, sports fans, and welcome to the Scott Sports 101 Sunday Night Football post-game show. Well, the Baltimore Ravens, beat the New England Patriots in a surprise upset tonight. Well, last night, 37-20 at M&T Bank Stadium in Baltimore, Maryland. The Ravens jumped out to the early 7-0 lead in the first quarter, and the Ravens were off and running and never let up in this game. The Ravens kicked the field goal, and it was 10-0 at the end of the first quarter. Then it was going to be a long night for the Patriots. The Patriots got on the board in the second quarter with a touchdown scored by James White at 38-yard TD, and it was 10-7 in the second quarter. And then there was the Patriots scored their second touchdown of the game, and it was 13-10 Patriots. Yeah, that would be the only time the Patriots led. And then the Ravens scored another touchdown. It was 17-13 at the half. And then actually there was one more time that they led. It was the Ravens scored another touchdown, and it was 24-13. And then the Patriots scored one more in the third, and it was 24-20 at the end of the third. And the Patriots fumbled in the first quarter. I forgot to mention that. And then in the fourth, the Patriots couldn't do anything right in the fourth quarter. The Ravens scored three touchdowns in the fourth, and they were up 37-20. And all the Ravens had to do was just take a knee, and that was it. That was all they needed. And the Patriots suffered their first loss of the season. No longer undefeated in the NFL, 8-1, and the Ravens go to 6-2. Which means the San Francisco 49ers are the only undefeated team left in the NFL this season. Boy, I gotta admit, this upset tonight was surprising enough tonight. And I gotta tell you, the Ravens just really came out and just dominated this game from the get-go. And I feel this was one of those games where the Patriots had that low ground offense again, and they need to fix that up. That to really work on fixing that low ground offense and not have that. They really need to. Offense needs to really step it up for the Patriots. And boy, Lamar Jackson just had a heck of a night. But this was just all Ravens from the get-go. The Ravens just had this one in hand from the moment it started. So I got to tip my hat to the Ravens. And so I got to give it to Baltimore. So we're really, this was just one of those games where it just did not go the Patriots' way tonight. And my brother-in-law and I took New England for that one. So right now I am 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, excuse me. I am 9-4, and my brother-in-law is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He's 7-6 right now. So we'll see what in the bet. So it looks like I'm going to win my picks for this week. Yeah, the picks of the week between my brother-in-law and myself. We have one more game, which is tomorrow night, and it's Dallas and the Giants at MetLife Stadium in New York on Monday Night Football. But right now, it's time to hand out some game balls, and I got to give it to the two guns that really kept it up. Lamar Jackson, 17 of 23 carries and attempts, 163 yards, one touchdown. Mark Ingram Jr., 15 carries and 115 yards. So those are the guys that got the game ball. But it was just one of those games where this was a game. This was a big game for the Ravens, but the Patriots were trying to remain undefeated. But the Ravens just came out of nowhere and just. It was a surprise upset where a lot of people were surprised tonight. So, but I got to tip my hat to the Ravens. I give credit to where credit is due. So that's just how it was tonight. So, well, that's just about going to wrap it up for the Scott Sports 101 Sunday Night Football Post-game show, I'll be back with the Scott Sports 101 Monday Night Football pregame show before the Cowboys-Giants game, and the post-game show after the Cowboys-Giants game is concluded. But until then, always remember, be a team player each and every day in every way possible. So long, everybody. 3, 2, 1, I'm done.